warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Honorable Examiner and the Secretary of Final Examination. Good evening. Let me introduce myself that my name is Alifia Sabila Azahra and I am from Diplomatic Information System Program. In this lovely evening, I would like to thank for the opportunity that has been given to me to present my final assignment with the title Water Complaint Service Application for Customer Based on Web and SMS Gateway at PT Aitra Jakarta. Well, in order to make my presentation clear, for the content of my presentation will be presented. PT Aitra Water Jakarta. PT Aitra Water Jakarta is a regional drinking water company which is responsible for providing service to the community in the clean water service sector. Namely, clean water that is suitable for consumption and suitable for use for other purposes of the community. Customer complaint service that are still manual often make customers who have to come to report this complaint, so they have to come directly to the place. The Water Complaint Service application for web-based customer at PT Aitra Water Jakarta expected to be a solution to these problems with the features such as adding data for filing complaints, monitoring the status of submitting customer complaints. It is hoped that it can simplify the process of water complaint service for these customers. In developing this application using the method, and it is using waterfall and use code Identifier framework and MySQL database. With this application, it is hoped that the water complaint service process for customer can be used optimally. The method of work. In making this application, the method uses model development life cycle software, or many people call it SDLC by model waterfall. This method starting from the analysis, document, coding implementation, testing, and finally maintenance. Now, the first one, there is analysis. Analysis is the stage of analyzing the things that are required in the implementation of software development or development project. In this case, the analysis is carried out by analyzing the documents used in the complement service at PT Aitra Water Jakarta and complaint service implementation procedure. All this stage, the search for information that can be obtained through interview. Now, the result of interview were conducted with the head of equipment maintenance and service section. The result of this interview are used reference in developing in this application. The second, there is design. Design step. The application design carried out at this stage will use UML diagram, business process map or BPMN, determine the attribute and entities contained in the base with ERD, determine what feature will be available to each user. And then make display design with mock-up to determine the initial appearance of the application to be created. Now, the third, there is implementation. At this stage, coding of all the result of the design begins to be used function and carry out activity related to previously designed function. Now, the tool which is used for coding in this implementation or coding application made this by Sublime Text 3. The fourth, there is testing. At the testing stage, the application will be tested through the concept of testing black box text to the whether the application that is made still has cross or not, and also to find out the whether there is logic that is not according with the proper business process flow. And last, the five, there is maintenance. The maintenance is the final stage is the model waterfall. This maintenance including repairing the of the application. However, this stage will not be involved in the development of application made in this final project. Now, there is modeling tool used. In this application, modeling tool used by there are business process method model and notation or BPMN, and then use case diagram, class diagram, and last entity relationship or ERD. Application builder tools. This application, application for PT Atra Water Jakarta, using MySQL, XMPP, and Code Igniter. The implementation application, the first, there is login page. In this page, for login to account and just fill the username and password. But if we don't have an account yet, we must registration first. The second, customer registration account page. And this page, before we can log into this account, we must make an account first. In this page, we just fill our full name, our email, username, and the place and the date where we born, and then the password. After that, just click what the name is. Just click sign up, and then you use your registration account success. There is home page customer PT Atra Jakarta. In this page, there are some menu to complain what is our to PT Atra Water Jakarta, and then there is profile user. And the fourth, there is add complaint data page. In this page, we can complain our complaint to PT Atra Water Jakarta, and it is so easily. We can just fill the form there, and then click send. This is page view complaints data. It is page for admin to view who have complaints yeah, who have complaints to PT Atra Water Jakarta, and the data of the complaint user. And then it is admin homepage. There is a page for admin to fill his data. This is edit user profile page. This is, yeah, like the name, edit user profile page. It is a page for user who complain, who have an account to complain to Water Jakarta. It is edit password user page. If we want to change our password, yeah, it is for user. If we want to change, we can edit password in this page. Now, it is page view incoming job data. And the last is manage role access page. In this page, we can manage, it is for admin, yeah. We can manage who can access with this account. The last, it is conclusion and suggestion. The following is the conclusion of the final project that has been built. The first, application of water complaint service for customer based on web and SMS gateway at PT Atra Water Jakarta was built, and there are features that are able to manage and store data starting from customer complaint input, view complaint data, complaint history, and water statistical data. The second, application of water complaint service for customer based on web and SMS gateway at PT Atra Jakarta. Make it easy for customer who will input water complaint, because customer can input with easily via web application online, and also the application provides a water statistic feature for customer who want to know online. Now, the honorable examiner and the secretary of the session, I think I have presented all of my presentation. That's all of my presentation. Thank you for your kind attention, and I will be ready to answer some questions. Hopefully, I can answer all the questions. Again, thank you very much. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.